multiplication, that is Z1, Z2 equal to R1 bar angle theta 1 times R2 bar angle theta 2. What you can do there is multiply the R's, then add the thetas. Okay. This example is Z1 is equal to 5 plus J8. Z2 is 3 plus J9. Okay. The answer should be 15 plus J. 5 times 9 is 45 plus 8 times 3 is 24 plus J squared 8 times 9. Okay, so that is 15 minus 72 plus J 69. So that is negative 57 plus J 69. So if we're going to convert our Z into bar angle, just to review also our topic last time, that is square root of 89, bar angle 57.9946 degrees. The other one, 3 square root of 10, bar angle 71.5651. Okay, degrees. So that means we can have the product of the Z1 and Z2 as square root of 89 times 3 square root of 10, bar angle 57.9946 plus 71.5651. So that is 3 square root of 890, bar angle 129.5597 degrees. And as you can see, we have here the rectangular form. If you convert that, your R is equal to square root of 57 squared plus 69 squared. That is square root of 890 R. Then the theta, arctangent 69 over negative 57 will be negative 50.4403. But again, get the supplementary angle, 180 degrees
be 129.5597 degrees.
So they are the same, okay? This indicates, as you can see here, it has positive imaginary, negative real number. So that is negative x and positive y, that is in quadrant 4. So that means for you to get the negative 50 is from the negative axis going to the positive axis, or the rotation of that axis is clockwise. So you can get the other angle, which is the 129.5597. So both of them, it could also be acceptable din yan if that is 3 square root of 890, bar angle negative 50.4403 degrees. Could also be 89.4986. Then another example, Z1 equal to, then Z2 is equal to, okay, multiplication, that is 30 minus J or plus negative 12 plus 10 minus J squared 8. So that is 30 plus 8, okay, minus J2, or simply 38 minus J2.
Is it correct?
20. Okay, then that is, so positive 8. Okay, in terms of bar angle, that is square root of 3 squared plus 2 squared. So that is 9 plus 4, square root of 13. Then theta 1 is tangent, negative 1, 2 over 3, 33.6901 degrees. Then Z2 is equal to 10 squared plus 4 squared. 10 squared is 100 plus 16, 116, or simply 2 square root of 29. Okay, bar angle, so R1 is 10 squared plus 4 squared. Then theta 2. is equal to arctangent negative 1. So that is negative 4 over 10. So that is negative 4 over 10. So that means that is in quadrant 4. You have to visualize it. Where is the location? Negative y and positive x. So yes, negative 20 degrees. Performing the product R1, R2, bar angle theta 1. So 2 square root of 29 times square root of 13. Then bar angle 33.6901 minus, nag-minus siya kasi 21.8014. So what's the answer? 2 square root of 377 bar angle 11.8887 degrees. And that is, if you're going to check from here, that is square root of 38 squared plus 8 squared is 2 square root of 377. Then arctangent 8 over 38 is 11.8887 degrees. Then next is if that is division. We all know if that is division, you are getting or you are multiplying the denominator into its conjugate. Now here, the rules will be if that is Z1 over Z2, R1 theta 1, and R2 theta 2. It will just be simply R1 over R2 bar angle theta 1 minus theta 2. Okay? So if that is square root of 13 bar angle 33.6901 degrees divided by 2 square root of 29 bar angle negative 21.8014. That is simply square root of divided by 8 bar angle 55. Just recheck your answer. So if we're going to check that from here, so that is 10 minus j4, 3 plus j2 times 10 plus j4. So 10 squared minus j squared, 4 squared. So that is 30 plus j, 30, then 12 plus 20 plus j squared, 8. So that is 30 minus 8 plus j 32. So that is 100 plus 16. So that is 22 plus j 32 over 116. So that is 11 over 58 plus j 8 over 29. So that is square root of 377 over 58. Pythagorean theorem. Then our theta is 8 over 29 and 11 over 58. Anyway, I'm just showing you na either of the solution will give you the same answer. So, if you're that familiar with bar angles, this will be your solution. You're giving yourself chance na hindi kayo magkamali on pagpo-FOIL method. You're just getting the resultant and the angle, then yun na yun.